Ji Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A warm welcome to all my viewers and my subscribers. I hope you are all doing fine. As I told you, I'm going to make a video series on the subject of consumer behavior. So we are going to read chapter number 5. Its name is Personality and Consumer Behavior. Okay, we are going to study about personality and consumer behavior. If you want to learn about the previous lectures about consumer behavior, what you can do, you can simply go to the playlist. From there you can find various lectures of consumer behavior with the names of lecture number 1, lecture number 2. So now we have reached on chapter number 5. So let's start our discussion. Okay ji. Learning objective. What are our learning objectives in this video? We will try to understand how personality reflects consumer inner differences. We will learn these things in the coming slides, and then we will try to understand how Freudian, Neo-Freudian, and trait theories. Basically, these are three theories. We will study them, how these theories explain the influence of personality on consumers' attitude and behaviors, and then we will study and try to understand how personality reflects consumer responses to produce marketing message. So without casting any delay, let's move to our slides. We will also understand how marketers seek to create brand personalities like traits. Okay. And at number 5, we will understand how the products and services that consumers use enhance their self-image. And in the end, we will understand how consumers can create online identities reflecting particular set of personality traits. Okay, this is slide number 1. Like, this is basically an ad which is shown to you. It is saying what is personality trait characterizing the consumers to whom this ad appeals. Basically, this ad is actually showing enthusiastic or extremely involved collectors who want to collect different stamps, different coins. So, enthusiastic or extremely involved collectors, these types of consumers will actually get influenced by this ad. Okay, ji. Personality and nature of personality. We are going to study about personality. The personality, what is this? The inner psychological characteristics that both determine and reflect how a person responds to his or her environment. Every person actually responds according to his or her environment, which ultimately makes and builds the personality of that person. And the nature of personality reflects individual differences. Different individuals basically have different personalities, and personality is consistent and enduring for a person. It's not like personality shackles or personality changes a lot. No, personality is consistent and enduring. But yes, personality can change, but personality changes with the passage of time. So your personality gets evolved with the passage of time. The next slide, discussion question. We will discuss this question in our coming slides, that how would you describe your personality and how does it influence products that you purchase? How your personality actually influences you to buy certain products. Okay. Then go to theories of personality. We will actually discuss about three theories of personality in this lecture. Theory number 1 is Freudian. Freudian theory, basically unconscious needs or drives are at the heart of human motivation. Basically, human motivation is basically governed by unconscious needs or drives that arise in a person, and in order to fulfill those drives, consumer generates a motivation in himself, and actually these unconscious needs or drives, they actually influence your motivation. This is according to the Freudian theory. We will discuss in detail about these theories in the coming lectures. Then Neo-Freudian personality theory, it says social relationships are fundamental to the formation and development of a personality. Your social relationship, they are actually provides you the basis of personality are social relationships. And the trait theories, actually talks about quantitative approach to personality as a set of psychological traits. Trait theory says that your personality is basically a set of different psychological qualities or different psychological traits, and these psychological traits make your personality. So these are three theories: Freudian theory, Neo-Freudian personality theory, and trait theory. Okay, let's move further. Freudian theory. What is this? Actually, it talks about three things: ID, ego, and superego. What is ID? Primitive or instinctual needs for which individuals seek immediate satisfaction. This component operates on the player principle, seeking immediate gratification of basic instincts and desires such as hunger or thirst. Actually, it's talk about ID, our instinctive needs means our physiological needs which are already present in our body since the time we born, or since the time when we enter into this world, into this materialistic world. Just like a baby, when we are born with certain instincts and desires. For example, hunger, thirst. So this is the first portion of personality. Okay, so primitive or instinctual needs for which individual seek immediate satisfaction. We want immediate satisfaction for our instinctive needs. For example, we are feeling hungry, we go to shopping market or we go to our mother and tell her to cook me something or to feed me something. So these are instinctive needs. The other one is superego. Superego, individuals' internal expression of society's moral and ethical codes of conduct, then dealing with the external world and making decisions that satisfy the ideal's desire in socially acceptable ways. The other thing is, we want to satisfy our superego by behaving in the society in a certain social ways. So whenever we are living in a society, we adopt certain social ways and access socially acceptable ways. The more social acceptable ways we adopt, the more we self feel about ourselves that we are actually uh, well adapted to the society. So superego, this is the second portion of our personality. Then there comes ego. Ego, individual's conscious control that balances the demand of ID and superego. It operates primarily at conscious level, dealing with external world and making decisions that satisfy the ID's desire in a socially acceptable ways. Basically, ego is intermediate, or it is a connection between our superego and our ID, and it also deals with the social context. We want to make our behavior in the society that are well adapted and well accepted by the society. So the more socially acceptable ways we create for ourselves, where we are actually creating a personality. Okay, so let me okay, this is the last slide for this video, and I will end my video in this slide. Here it's saying snack food and personality traits. These are actually some research conducted, various researches conducted on snack food and personality traits. So this slide is actually telling about which types of snack foods you are using, and on the basis of your snack food choices, your personality traits are actually reflected there. For example, snack food, the potato chips, a person who likes more potato chips, he would be ambitious, successful, high achiever, impatient with less than the best. Means he will go for the best in his life. So these are the personality traits, and these traits are collected after lot of researches. So the person who eats potato chips will have these types of personality traits. Then tortilla chips, these are perfectionist, high expectations, punctual, conservative, and responsible person. Then pretzels, a person who like pretzels, they are lively, easily bored with same old routine, flirtatious, then intuitive, and may overcommit to the project. They may overcommit. to the projects also. Then snack crackers, they are rational, logical, contemplative, they contemplate, they are sometimes shy and prefer times alone, are introverts. Then cheese curls, they are conscientious, principled, they are proper, fair, may appear rigid, but has great integrity, plans ahead, and love order. So these are basically the traits which are reflected by using various types of chips. So I hope this lecture is clear to you. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, you are requested to please go to subscribe button and subscribe my channel. Inshallah, I will see you with the next video. Thank you.